Welcome to Kiddy Can Draw. Today we are going to learn how to draw a rock. First, draw the body of the rock. Decorate the body with curved lines. Draw a zigzag cone shape for the exhaust flame. Draw the top fin of the rock. Then draw the side fins, one at each side of the rock. Make a window in the middle part of the rocket by drawing a circle. Decorate the rocket with some lines to make it look 3D. Congratulations! Now you can draw a rocket. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color.